how to remotely reset and erase your Samsung Galaxy Note 8 with My Device or Find My Device from Google app. So if you happen to lose your phone and it has some very important data on it, you may want to remotely erase the device. However, when you erase the device, you will lose the capability of locating where the whereabouts of the device. So you may not ever find it again if you erase it. But if you wish to go ahead and do so, here's what you have to do. So go to your computer or to another Android device, and what we want to do is to go to Play Store and download this app. Oops, not Play Games, Play Store. And you want to go download Find Device. So here is Find My Device. It is already installed on my phone, so your Android phone might already have it. Tap on Open, or you can go to Apps and then it says Find Device. Now you need to sign in, so tap on Sign in as guest. The account that you want to use is the same account that you used to sign into your Note 8. So when you initially set up your device, you need to sign in with a Google account. So that same account needs to be signed in on a computer or on another device. So I'll put in the email address. And then I'll tap on next. You need to put in the password. And then tap on the next button. Okay, immediately it will locate whereabouts of the device. Right here. And what we want to do is go down and tap on the erase device, and then tap on erase. Now you can see here it says all data will be permanently deleted from this device. So make sure this is what you want to do. Read it, and if you're happy, tap on erase device. Tap on next. Then put in the password again. Next you want to tap on the next button, and once your identity is confirmed, you will be confirmed. It will ask you if you really want to erase the device. So this is your final chance to back out. If you want to back out, tap on cancel or tap on erase device to proceed ahead. So let's go to the other one. So immediately you can see this device is being erased. So now it's erasing, so I can no longer be able to play a sound. And that's how you can use Find My Device to erase remotely on your phone. You can do it on a computer. It doesn't need to be on an Android device. You can access the internet to do it. So here, if we go to the internet browser. So this is the internet browser, and you need to sign in. So once you sign into the address, so myaccount.google.com, find your phone. So you can see that's the address there. Once you sign in, then tap on the device that you want to use, and then we need to sign in. Now at the top here there are two options. You can use the ring or locate, or down here you can erasing. Tap on consider erasing your device, and down here there is an option called yes erase, and again it's a performs a factory reset on your device. So you can read through that and tap on yes erase. And we'll attempt to connect to the device to erase. So trying to connect, as you can see. because this device is already reset, so we will not be able to continue. And so there you have a few options. You can go into online to do it, or you can download an app to erase your device remotely. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.